I burned my seed tray for good. What's up, guys? It is, I believe, April 30th today. So it's been a few days since we started our vlog, and I've done a few videos since we started our vlog, but unfortunately, when you start your vlog and you start doing videos, you don't end up liking what you're doing. Well, you like what you're doing, but you don't like what you're making, so you have to remake it a couple times before you get something that maybe you want to present to people because you've never done it before. So anyways, now I'm just trying to get used to talking on camera, and essentially that makes it a lot easier when I'm trying to edit because I've already got something to put on there rather than trying to make something up. So what's going on, bud? You like being outside? It's raining quite bad. Why don't we go take a look and see what it looks like outside? It's not raining quite bad, but it certainly filled my backyard, filled with water. Have a look there. Holy moly, that's a lot of water. Yeah. The posts would be a good experiment for the posts. I think they're probably doing okay. Like I said, well, I did say in the other video that we need to put some more posts in, but I'll say it again now because I don't know if that's even going to make it to you. The dog's getting nice and muddy. All right, bud, come on in. So it's about that time of the year where we need to get our seeds started so that we can get them in the garden, but as you can see, we've got a lot of work to get the garden in still, so everything in due time. And we know we can work on the seeds today, sorry, the seed trays, so that's what we'll be doing. We'll leave this open for the dingus. That's good. Alrighty. I don't know if, well, I'm sure I still have it posted, but you can see that I made this here dolly, this camera dolly. Looking not too bad. Works quite well. Although I have to admit, I did not tie this cord properly down here at the bottom to keep the boom up and secured, and it fell. So note to self, keep that nice and tight. But yeah, works really good. Let's get it, all right. So, oh geez. So today what we're gonna be doing is probably cutting some 2x4s so that we can char those and put them as posts in the backyard, so we can fence that off and get that all done up so that the dog doesn't dig up our garden. And then I've got to cut some plywood into specific sizes so that we can make the seed trays. The kids will probably help me with doing some of that. And then I've got to cut the sides and pre-drill the sides for the seed trays, and then we can assemble those. So got a few hours worth of work. I think I'm probably going to just focus on this for the rest of the night and try and get that done, because if I get behind on this, then I'm not going to be able to plant. And if I can't plant, then what's the point in doing the garden, right? So everything's got to be done. So let's get started. So I think I'm going to start with the seed trays because then the kids can start planting, and that's something that I don't have to do. Avril can get started on that as well. So let's do the seed trays. All right, so I got some plywood here that we're going to use for the base of the seed trays. I'm going to cut this into specific little sections and measure it out based on the soil blocker. But I've got to cut this up into pieces, like I said, so let's get doing that. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know what these are or not, but this is a mini soil blocker. Okay, that's your starter. That's for probably really little seeds. Okay, I've never done this before, so who knows. We're gonna give it a try, but I know it's for seeds. So anyways, you start them in this one, then they fit perfectly inside these ones. So I'm assuming that you could probably start the bigger seeds in this big mama and your little seeds in here, and then transplant. So basically what I want to do is I want to get some seed trays that are going to fit both of these. No sense in making two different sizes, right? So it's got to at least fit this, and it would be nice if we could fit as many of these as possible, and it would be perfect if they fit them both perfectly.
See, but I've actually put 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now if I was to put 1, 2, I'd have to have something much longer in order to connect those dots. Now because I don't, if I do my measurements in smaller intervals, I can use something smaller to bridge the gaps. See? Take the glasses down. Just cut the sides and get her all screwed up. I think I'm going to probably char this up a little bit just to give it some resilience. Don't go near this. Yeah. Alright, there it is. Just toasted her up, and now we're going to give her a little bit to...
But it's not toast. It's not toast.
No, it's not toast. We're going to give it some time to cool down, and then we're going to put some screws in it. Yep, and then if I want to raise it up a little bit to let the water run off, I can do that. Or if I need to level it out, depending, I can do that with the feet. So there, that's that. Now I just need to make a few more. What do you think? Give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe if you like it, and leave some comments in the comments. See you in the next one.